Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Just if you're new here, my name is Saranya, and whoever returned, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm really excited because my iPad Pro 2020 is finally arrived. Since from my previous video, you can see I was unboxing my AirPod Pro that I got it for a reduced price because I got this iPad. So it's finally here. I'm not gonna show the other way of the box just because it has my address and stuff, but this is the box. Hopefully I don't ruin it just before. So I was just thinking it's gonna be nice to do some unboxing here. I have my scissor here. I'm going to cut along this area and we're gonna open it together. Let's go. Hopefully I do it right. Gonna open this cap here. Hopefully I don't ruin anything. So my iPad is 156 GB and I got the iPad Pro 11-inch. It's second generation, so I guess it's the 2021. So this is how it looks. It's really thin. I got this in the space gray. It's actually really light compared to the second generation iPad that I used to got. That's not even Pro, not Air or Mini. So pretty, guys.
Thank you.